Girls, now we are going to discuss the example and assignment of chapter number 1. Okay, girls, example number 1.4, page number 13. Okay, girls, example number 1.4 is related with the size of bacterium. Okay, the question is, girls, a typical bacterium has a mass of 2.0 femtogram. Okay, F is the symbol used for femto, okay, and G is symbol used for gram, so it's mean this Fg is the symbol used for femtogram. Okay, girls, express this measurement in terms of kilogram. Okay, so now we will convert this femtogram into kilogram. Okay, so how we can convert this femtogram into kilogram, girls? In this numerical, for the given unit is femtogram. Okay, and the unknown unit is kilogram. So first we will eliminate this femto and then we will add kilo with this gram. Okay, how we can solve this example, girls? We can solve this example question. Girls, data first we will arrange the data. Okay, and as I told you, in data first we will write the given quantity and then we write unknown quantity. Okay, as I told you, girls, that the mass of typical bacterium in femtogram is equal to 2.0 femtogram. And as I told you that first we eliminate the femto. So how can we eliminate this femto? Simply replace this femto with the power of 10. Okay, and in table of prefixes, as I told you that femto is equal to 10 raised to power minus 15. Okay, so girls, mass in femtogram is equal to 2.0. Femto is equal to 10 raised to power minus 15 and gram will be remain same. Okay, another data which is given in your book, that is calculate the mass of typical bacterium in kilogram. So it's mean mass of typical bacterium in kilogram is equal to unknown. As I told you that we will write X for unknown quantity. Okay, solution, girls. As we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, because now we will convert this gram into kilogram. Okay, so 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, and 2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 gram is equal to unknown. Okay, so girls, first we will do cross multiplication. Okay, so by cross multiplication, girls, we get x multiplied by 1000 gram, and if we write this 1000 gram into power of 10, so 1000 is equal to 10 raised to power 3. Okay, so by cross multiplication, girls, x multiplied by 1000 and 1000 is equal to what? That is equal to 10 raised to power 3 gram. Okay, multiply by, girls, 1 kg multiplied by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 gram. Okay, now, girls, for finding the value of x, we will eliminate the given quantity. Okay, and given quantity can be eliminated if the given quantity is multiplied. So simply this value can be eliminated by dividing 10 raised to power 3 gram on both sides. Okay, so x multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 gram is equal to 1 kg multiplied by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 gram divided by 10 raised to power 3 gram on both sides. Okay, girls, so 10 raised to power 3 gram, 10 raised to power 3 gram cancel. Okay, so remaining quantity is x. Okay, on other side, girls, first we solve the units. So gram, gram cancel. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2 into 10 raised to power minus 15, and the unit, remaining unit is kilogram. Okay, divided by 10 raised to power 3. Okay, now girls, x is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 15, and when we move this denominator toward numerator, so if power of 10 is positive, so when we move this denominator toward numerator, so power of 10 becomes negative. Okay, so x is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. Okay, so x is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 minus 3. Minus minus plus. Okay, so 2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 minus 3 is equal to what? That is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 18 kg. Okay, so mass of typical bacterium in kilogram is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 18 kg. Okay, now girls, the next one, assignment question number 1.4 on page number 13. Okay, assignment number 1.4 is related with the smallest bird. Okay, the smallest bird is a bee hummingbird. Male measures only 0.057 meter. Okay, convert this number to standard form. It's mean first we will convert this simple notation into scientific notation and write this number in millimeter, and then we will convert this meter into millimeter. Okay, so same procedure will be followed. Okay, first exam assignment number 1.4. Okay, first we will arrange the data, and length of hummingbird is given in meter, that is equal to 0.057 meter. And the question is, girls, that first convert this value into standard notation. Okay, so 5.7, same procedure will be followed, girls, that the decimal will be moved toward first non-zero digit, and 5 is first non-zero digit, 7 is second non-zero digit. So decimal place after first non-zero digit. Okay, so value is 5.7 into 10 raised to power